shout out to all my buddies on YouTube and the Flat Earth community. Figured I'd show you a little experiment. How to make your own compass using regular household items. I got a little compass right here ready to go. I'm going to show you how to make your own compass using a plastic container. It's a regular old plastic container like you have around the house, and a household magnet like you have on your refrigerator, and a needle, just a regular sewing needle, and some little squares I cut out of some tissue paper. Just take some water, put some water in it, a little creek here. Alright, I'll show you how to go through the steps. Take these two items here, the magnet and the regular needle, just any old needle. You rub the needle on the magnet like that. Okay. And you take a little square paper, drop it in the water, take the needle, drop it on the paper. Then you can wait. Eventually that paper will drop away. Yeah, it drops away. And the needle's floating on top of the water. And it straightens itself out. It finds north. See? North. North. Ta-da! That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Yay! That's a quick, easy way to make your own compass. How about that? Let's look around the backyard a little bit more. It's a cloudy day over here in North Carolina. Cloudy day. That's my backyard. How about that? Well, take care, everybody. Just thought I'd show you how to make your own compass. God bless.